All right, viewers, we have some breaking inputs coming in at this hour. Sources are telling your channel Republic that 8 more stars are under the NCB's radar after their contact emerged in the phones of drug peddlers, and they could now be summoned and questioned as well. Let's go across to my colleague Aishwarya now for joining us with more on this. Aishwarya, big update coming in after we had stated that there are 3 top actors who might be summoned. We have in fact information that there are 8 more stars under the NCB radar now.
Absolutely, Richa, and then all of this is happening while we have broken this information that 3 superstars of Bollywood are all set to be called in within the next 10 to 12 days by the NCB. Now we are being told that apart from these 3 super duper stars, there are 8 more top stars of the Indian film industry whose numbers have popped up in 4 different lists of the drug peddlers. And that is why we are being told that apart from these 3 top SAR, 3 mega stars, these 8 additional top stars are going to be called in by the NCB, because it's not only about the communication, it's about the commonality. It is about their numbers have propped up in minimum list, that is contact list, CDRs of 4 different drug peddlers, and that is something which is not only startling. Yes, we are being told that may or may not be directly connected with the SSR case, but what we are being clearly told that NCB has made up its mind that this time around it's going to completely break the backbone of this narcotics trade in the Indian film industry and in the city of Mumbai. And that's why we are being told that no leaf, no stone is going to be left unturned. They are not going to leave irrespective of their hierarchy, irrespective of how popular or how big they are or how big their names is. And now this breaking coming in that 8 more names, and I repeat, 8 more names have come up in the NCB list, and this is coming out of the CDRs of the list of contacts of the drug peddlers, and these 8 names are in common apart from those 3. That is 11 in total of 4 different lists. So that is the commonality, that these 8 top stars who are over and above those 3 mega stars of the Indian film industry would very well be called in, according to our sources, by the NCB within the next 10 to 12 days. Yes, Richa.
In fact, Aishwarya, so far all the A-listers that have been called in, be it Deepika Padukone, be it Sara Ali Khan or be it Shraddha Kapoor, they have in a way read out from the same script, and that's the reason the NCB is not satisfied. Are we expecting them to also be called in again? And apart from these 8 more stars that are under the NCB radar, this means that in the coming days we are expecting more such A-listers to be summoned.
Well, absolutely, and that could very well include the A-listers who have already been called in, whether it's Deepika, Sara, Shraddha or the others who have already been called once. They may be called in again, Richa, because we are being told that there are certain issues which still don't match. They feel that it was a well-rehearsed attempt by not one but each of these top stars, whether it is Rakul Preet, Sara, Shraddha or Deepika Padukone, because the answers were very common and the answers were as if they've been taught, as if it was according to a script, and that is something which is raising an eyebrow within the NCB, and that's why we are being told that even those 4 top female stars can be called back again, but this is over and above these 3 mega stars, that is SANR, that is their initials. According to our sources, we are being told S stands for a different mega star, A for a different, and R for a different, and then these 8 over and above top stars of the Indian Bollywood industry whose numbers have now propped up in the NCB list will also be called in soon. Yeah.
In fact, Aishwarya, if we take a look at some of the answers that these stars have given, one of them being as to how hash is not a drug, the other star also speaking about how NCB is not well versed with the Bollywood English, so-called Bollywood English they talk about. This remains to be seen as to how the NCB might call all of these A-listers yet again, because these are bizarre answers they have given.
Richa, this is only a deviation tactic. Richa, this is only a deviation tactics. What is Bollywood English? Can anyone on this planet tell us what is Bollywood English? Slangs are common. Slang is not limited to one Indian film industry. Are they saying that they have a different dialect? Is that what they were trying to give a message of? So all of that is just a deviating tactic, and this is something which the agencies clearly understand. That is why we are being told, and we were told that day itself, that they are acting to a written script. That is what the feeler is within the NCB and the top offices of the NCB. That's why after the questioning of all of these 4 top actresses, if you remember, the NCB top boss, that is Asthana, went back to Mumbai. Had a debrief with his top officers. He took 3 or 4 top officers from Delhi. And now we are being told 8 to 9 top officers have been called in from Indore, Bangalore, and then different cities back to Mumbai, because they have their complete concentration. And as I said, according to our sources, they are in no mood to leave a stone unturned in this drug nexus, which is connected to the Indian film industry, to the city of Mumbai, and then Goa in turn. And this is something which the NCB understands, and that's why not only these 8 plus 3 top stars, but also those 4 female stars who have already been called in, that is namely Deepika, Sara, Shraddha, and then Jakulpreet, and then also so on and so forth. All of them could be called back again. Because the kind of terminology, the kind of answers which they have used, slim cigarettes, hash is not a drug, in which world are they living? Bollywood English? Is that even a term? So all of this is being very, very minutely managed. And basically NCB has got a sense of it. And that's why, according to our sources, NCB is saying that they're not only going to call them, but they're going to call several more A-listers. That is over and above these 3 mega stars whose name begin with these initials SANR, which have already broken early in the day. Yes, Richa.
Absolutely. We'll also go across to my colleague Amit now. Amit, this is certainly a big update coming in, and as we have been reporting earlier as well, apart from 3 mega Bollywood actors, now there is another update that 8 more stars are under the NCB radar. This will certainly cause panic within Bollywood, who are already approaching their legal teams as to how can they get out of this mess.
कई प्रूफ हैं और प्रूफ और ग्राउंड वर्क वो मजबूत पुख्ता बनाने में लगे हुए हैं। 4 ड्रग पैडलर हैं जिनका कनेक्शन इन 3 स्टार से बताया जा रहा है। उनकी सीडीआर जो लिस्ट है उसमें इनका कनेक्शन आ गया कि इन लोगों की आपस में बार-बार बात होती थी। ड्रग पैडलर ने कबूलनामा किया है और खुद बताया है। इसमें क्षितिज जो है, क्षितिज प्रसाद सबसे बड़ा नाम है, जिसने एक के बाद एक कई स्टार से नाम लिए और उनके लिंक जो है इन 3 स्टार से भी जुड़ रहे हैं, ऐसा मुझे बताया गया है। तो सोचिए कि जल्दी ही इन लोगों के ऊपर बड़ी कार्रवाई हो सकती है। एनसीबी समन इनको भेजकर पूछताछ के लिए बुला सकती है। एनसीबी को जरूरत है कुछ लोगों के कन्फेशन का। यही वजह है कि एनसीबी लगातार इस कोशिश में है कि इनके आसपास का जो नेक्सस है, आसपास के जो ड्रग पैडलर है, उनको कैसे पकड़ा जाए, उन तक कैसे पहुंचा जाए। मैं आपको ये भी बताना चाहता हूँ, कई ड्रग पैडलर मुंबई के ऐसे हैं जो मुंबई छोड़कर बाहर जा चुके हैं। कई ड्रग पैडलर ऐसे हैं जिन्होंने काम धंधे को बिल्कुल बंद कर दिया है, क्योंकि उनको पता है कि एनसीबी जिस तेजी के साथ आगे बढ़ रही है, कई स्टार्स के लिए मुश्किल खड़े हो सकते हैं। करीब 30 ऐसे बड़े स्टार्स हैं, उनमें डायरेक्टर्स हैं, प्रोड्यूसर हैं, एक्टर एक्ट्रेस हैं, जो एनसीबी के रडार पर हैं और लगातार एनसीबी उनको लेकर के, उनके आसपास जो है उनकी सराउंडिंग को लेकर के जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन है वो तेजी से कर रही है। जी।
All right, thank you so much, Amit and Aishwarya, for getting us the latest as far as the NCB probe is concerned. So, big updates coming in. 8 more stars are under the NCB radar now after their contact numbers have emerged in the phones of drug peddlers, and they could now be summoned and questioned as well.